So I'm putting the TP-Link Tapo RV50 Pro Omni through some real-world cleaning tests to find out if it's actually one of the best robot vacuums you can get for under $500. And since I have cats at home, I'm especially interested in seeing how well it handles pet hair, along with everyday dust, debris, and stubborn stains. But instead of just looking at the specifications, I want to see what this robot can actually do in real-world situations. I'll be testing its vacuum performance, pet hair pickup, mopping ability, dried and liquid stains, edge cleaning, navigation, and how much work the automatic docking station can save me. So let's put it to the test and see whether it really deserves to be called one of the best robot vacuums for pet owners under $500. As you can see the key features mentioned on the box, which gives you a quick overview of what this robot vacuum can do. Inside the box we have the TP-Link Tapo RV50 Pro Omni, the Omni docking station, power cable, 500 milliliters floor cleaning solution, and user manuals. The included cleaning solution adds extra convenience after setup. The robot itself has a clean and modern design. The main unit looks compact. We have the laser navigation sensor on the top, which helps it create accurate maps of your home. There are also 3 physical buttons on the robot, so you can control basic functions without using the app. On the bottom there is a side brush and dual rotating mop pads. One of the most interesting features is the hair cutting and anti-tangle cleaning system, which is designed to handle both human hair and pet hair. I will show you how it works later in this video. The dock has clean and dirty water tanks at the top, which can be easily lifted out for refilling and emptying. Then there is a removable panel where you can replace the dust bag and add the cleaning detergent, which the vacuum can automatically dispense during cleaning. At the bottom there is a ramp for the robot to enter and leave the dock, along with storage space for the mop pads when they are not attached to the vacuum. I always like to see how a robot vacuum performs through real-world tests, so let's start with the first carpet and floor suction power test. For this test I used cat hair, which I could barely see on the carpet with my naked eyes, and I also spread some small pieces of paper to check how well it could pick up different types of debris. When I started the suction only test using the maximum suction power mode, this vacuum automatically increased its suction power when moving onto the carpet. This RV50 Pro Omni comes with 15,000 Pascal suction power, which is designed to pick up everyday dirt, including dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair. After the first cleaning pass, we can see how much debris it collected. On the second pass, it picked up even more remaining dirt from the carpet and floor. The strong suction performance works well for daily cleaning, and the robot can handle different floor types. For pet owners, removing hair is one of the biggest challenges, so the anti-tangle brush system is an important feature that helps reduce manual maintenance. As you can see, I could not even notice some of the cat hair on the carpet with my eyes, but the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni was still able to collect it effectively from both the carpet and hard floor. When the robot returned to the station, you can see the dock activating the hair cutting system. For the hair cutting test, I spread a large amount of hair on the carpet to see how well this robot vacuum could handle it. Pet hair and long hair can easily wrap around the brush, which usually increases maintenance. To solve this problem, the RV50 Pro Omni comes with an anti-tangle side brush, an anti-tangle caster, and a hair cutting system. The wrapped hair is cut at the base station, not during cleaning, which helps prevent accidental contact with pets' fur or tails. During the test, use the side brush to push the hair into the suction path, and after 2 cleaning passes, the robot collected almost all of the hair from the carpet. After cleaning, we can see some hair wrapped around the tangle-free cutting brush. Since the robot only cuts the hair when it returns to the station, I gave it the command to start the cutting process. After the first cycle, around half of the wrapped hair was removed. I activated the cutting process one more time and the remaining hair was completely cleared from the brush. This shows that the anti-tangle system works automatically without requiring manual cleaning after every use, making it a very convenient feature for homes with pets or long hair. What about dried stains? This is another important test because many robot vacuums struggle to remove dried stains and stubborn residue during regular mopping. So I wanted to see how well the RV50 Pro Omni could handle tougher messes. For this test, I placed coffee on the floor and allowed the stain to fully dry. The RV50 Pro Omni uses dual spinning mop pads that rotate at 180 revolutions per minute while applying downward pressure on the floor. This allows the mop pads to actively scrub the surface instead of simply wiping over it. For this test, I set the robot to clean for 2 passes. During the cleaning process, you can see the rotating mop pads working against the dried coffee stain and helping break down the residue. After 2 passes, the stain was still slightly visible, so I started one more cleaning cycle. After the 3rd pass, the stain was completely removed. As you can see from the before and after comparison, the active scrubbing system helps deliver a deeper clean for everyday stubborn marks. Let's try one more test using ketchup and milk to see how quickly the RV50 Pro Omni can handle different types of messes. For this test, I applied ketchup and milk on the floor and set the robot to clean for 2 passes. Before starting the cleaning process, the robot automatically washes the mop pads first to make sure it starts with clean mops. Robot vacuums often struggle with mist spots along walls, corners, and baseboards. The RV50 Pro Omni uses deep edge technology, which extends mop coverage closer to edges and room perimeters. This helps improve overall floor coverage and reduces the number of missed areas during cleaning. During the cleaning process, you can see the dual rotating mop pads working on the stains while the robot follows its cleaning path. After 2 passes, the floor is much cleaner and most of the stains have been removed. Once the cleaning is finished, the robot automatically returns to the Omni Dock. The dock washes the mop pads with 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water after each cleaning session and then dries them using 122 degrees Fahrenheit warm air. This automatic washing and drying process helps keep the mop pads fresh and ready for the next cleaning cycle, while reducing another maintenance task for the user. Another thing that can become annoying with robot vacuums is emptying the dustbin and managing dirty water after every few cleaning sessions. The RV50 Pro Omni solves this by automatically transferring collected debris into a sealed dust bag and keeping clean water and dirty water stored separately in the dock. With this level of automation, it can provide up to 2 months of hands-free cleaning with less daily maintenance required from the user. Navigation is another important part of any robot vacuum. The RV50 Pro Omni uses dual laser precision avoidance technology to detect and avoid obstacles around your home. For my test, I placed common household objects like shoes, small items, and cables in its cleaning path to see how well it could handle different obstacles. Overall, the robot performed well and was able to navigate around most objects without problems. However, during my cable test, it did get caught on the cable, which means it did not fully recognize it as an obstacle. So if you have loose cables on the floor, it is still better to organize them before starting the cleaning cycle. Apart from that, the navigation performance was reliable, and the robot was able to move around the room smoothly and complete the cleaning task efficiently. Of course, no robot vacuum can completely replace deep cleaning, but for everyday dust, pet hair, crumbs, spills, and regular floor maintenance, it can significantly reduce the amount of manual work. After testing the TP-Link Tapo RV50 Pro Omni, I think this is a very strong option for people who want premium robot vacuum features without spending over $1,000. The TP-Link Tapo RV50 Pro Omni is definitely worth considering. It brings many premium features into a more affordable price range. It launches at around $600. But during the early bird period, you can get it for around $500. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check the current price and available discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.